some region here that has the magnetic field flowing out. We know it's out because we have the dots. Those represent vectors out. Here's my circuit. Here's my conducting wire. And what if I have B increasing? So I'm turning up, I'm in an MRI machine. If this is a constant magnetic field, I get no induced currents. Nothing happens. Changing B's create I's. But what if B is increasing? I'm turning on the magnets. Well, the new field tries to stop me from doing what I'm doing. So I'm gaining a bunch of these upward facing flux lines. The new field says, I don't want you to do that. I'm going to try to cancel out those things you're adding in. I'm going to try to cancel them out. It won't quite succeed, but it tries to. Thumb points in the direction of the induced current, or the induced B. Thumb points down, my current would flow counterclockwise. If we think of this in terms of Faraday's law, the field is increasing in the upward direction, so the new induced B points in the opposite of the increase would point down. Okay, what if, same scenario, but now B is decreasing? I'm turning off my field. So if we think in terms of Faraday's law, the magnetic field is pointing up, but decreasing. That means it's increasing. My flux is increasing in the downward direction. Pointing up but decreasing is increasing in the downward direction. d phi dt is opposite of EMF. So the new field will point in the opposite of the increase, will point up. So my induced B will point up. It's like this. My current would flow around counterclockwise. That's using Faraday's law, figuring out which direction the flux is increasing. The easier way to think about this is Lenz's law. Try to stop the change. So I've got all these flux lines. If B is decreasing, think of these guys as that guy just disappeared. That flux line disappeared. This new field then is going to say, I'm going to try to replace that thing that lost. Anything that's going away, the new field tries to replace and says, okay, I'm going to give you one back. Even though we lost 3, I'm going to give you 1 back. That points up, we go around like that.